Hey guys, so I made this maze here. It is a lot better than the last maze I actually did, which was the C++1 project. But this is the 2, and I did it in about, quarter of the lines. Last time it was around like nearing 1,000, probably around like 950 or something like that. Pretty much halved it with so much more properties with it. Alright, so just to run through it a little bit, this explains the start of the maze, or where you can get to choose it. I would highly suggest not doing number 5 and 6 because it actually is kind of hard, and it would actually take you longer, because if you look at the stats here, it's about 200 wide and 170 down. So like height is like 170. It is a bit different because we're using vectors, so Y goes first and then X goes next, so it was a bit weird coding it. But yeah, let's just give it a test run real quick. I also made it to where you have a sight range. You can also print the entire maze, though for this, no, I won't be printing the entire maze. Also, it is color-coded with using these ANSI greens and stuff like that. I'll show you real quick. In these defined stuff like that. And they also work in almost all programs that I've heard, except for like, the command prompt, which is default on some computers. But yeah, let's get back to this application over here. Choose a number. To go with something easy, I'll just go with the easy maze. This one was, I believe, around a 15 by 15, so it shouldn't be that hard. Alright, so it should tell me, keep in mind while playing, W is up, A is down, A is left, S is down, D is right. So just WASD like a normal game. So this time we're going to go down, and we're going to go enter every time. If you also want to, you could also put in multiple, and it just goes down that far. You could go spam A, though it's not really, this is actually a bug that I found when I was making it. Easy maze is, of course, really easy. Also, that sight range is very much editable. So right here, sight range is 2. Don't know why it's doing that. Let me rebuild it real quick. I don't know. I see. It won't be rebuilt. Okay. I was doing this on my laptop earlier, so it makes sense that it wouldn't be working like that. But let's do another one. Let's do medium maze. Should be, I think, a 25 by 25. Yeah, let's just do 3. Hard maze. Down, down, left, down, down, down. Also, how this maze generates is it's always getting generated downward. So you could always bet that it's always going to be down. And it's never to the left or right, so it's just downward. But there is, in like in the super hard mode, it can get pretty hard about when generating. That was weird. That should have been a lot harder. I don't know why. And now, if we're really going to talk about the hard stuff, it will, let's do number 6. There should be a lot of branches. Yeah, here we go. Like, you can go over here, but of course this won't lead anywhere. Probably won't lead anywhere. Yeah, there we go. It won't lead. It doesn't lead anywhere. But this is gonna take forever. Last time I was doing some testing on this, and it took me about 20 minutes to do this. Last time, it was extremely hard. Just more time consuming though. It wasn't really hard. But yeah, you could put this inside of like any game and actually use this code to generate a maze. It is very easy to tweak with the settings I put in. Like here, the sight range should be edited, but this builder clearly isn't making the build all that well. But that's no problem. But yeah, that's about it. Hope y'all liked it.